Hello everyone, Jai Sri Krishna. So guys, this is the day 22 of speaking broken English. So guys, behind of me you can see I was all the clothes and actually my means is that behind of me that is not all the clothes because when it become no when it dry and then my papa bring it and keep it into the room in the room I think yes in the room. So actually I didn't realize and I do like that behind of me the all clothes. Then I realized, oh my god, this is not the all clothes because when I was washed the clothes, the all clothes, sorry, the rope was totally filled with clothes. There was no at least little bit space uh, on the rope. Oh, and Holi is coming. I will use arrived या coming, so please if you know so comment. And guys, what mummy is doing. Mummy is spreading the bed sheet hoga. I okay. Mummy is spreading the bed sheet on the bed. I think I can say that in other type also. Actually, I'm forgetting what I will say, but I will translate. New bed sheet. Mummy buy it yesterday, but I think I am going to say in English with mom, but mummy will not understand. पहले वाला अच्छा था. Earlier was good. What I will say, earlier was good. The earlier was good. I think that is wrong. I should translate. पहले वाला अच्छा था. Actually, actually my internet is not working, so that's why I am not translating. My auntie is laughing because I'm speaking in broken English, so that's why she is in front of me. You can see there, guys. She is plucking the Conocasia leaf. Sorry, guys. I said Conocase. Cono. I said something else, but the correct word is that Conocos. I forgot again, yeah. Actually, one day I was making videos, then I remember, and today I again forgot. So I think I should watch once, okay? Yes, I watch, and it will be colocasia leaf. I don't know. My pronounce. I don't know my pronunciation is correct or not. But if I have internet, then I translate on Google. But on that time, I have no internet. Actually, I have internet, yeah, but network problem because I want to say in Hindi, which is नेटवर्क की खूटी जो रहती है वो डाउन अप अप डाउन दैट इज व्हाट आई विल से नेटवर्क की जो खूटी रहती है oh my god. Okay, I think I should say net which is uh, actually guys my internet is working suddenly, then I translate the pegs remain in the network means network की जो खूटी रहती है that is going on up down. That's why I was not able to translate, but I'm going to translate that also. पहले जो बेड सॉरी पहले जो चादर था. Yes, I translate that. and I found the seat that was laid earlier. पहले जो चादर बिछाया था, the seat that was laid earlier. Yes, my network is work. My network is working properly, so that's why I'm able to translate. You know what, guys? I learn lots of things during making blog videos because when I was forgetting, and I translate and I write in my notebook. Then I revise that helped me a lot. And sometime I don't write, but during the editing I write on my copy, and sometime I revise. So because of that, I learn lot of things. Guys, I was thinking, जो कि मेरे द्वारा देखा गया है. So I think there will be which is seen by me and mummy's. I think this is correct, which is seen by me. If you know correct, then you comment. Actually, I didn't translate, and now I'm going to picking the coriander because mummy is mummy is saying to me, go pick coriander and garlic leaf. So I'm going. I want to show you too also. Sorry, you too. I will not use also with two. Oh, so let's go. But I need a knife also because without knife, I because without knife, I am not able to pick the coriander with my nail. Okay, I got matching knife also. So guys, I think I am feeling like a little bit fever. So I because the water is dripping by my nose. मतलब नाक से पानी गिर रहा है. Okay, I will say the water is dripping by my nose, and the cold will catch me. मुझे सर्दी हो जाएगा. The cold will catch me. I don't know. Okay, it's time to pick coriander, and this is the mustard flower. Actually, I was taking picture, and there are lots of coriander behind me. You can see that. I think yes. I want to show you one more thing, and there are. Yes, there are. Mummy has planted garlic here. You can see. So I have to pick coriander and garlic leaf also. So first I pick, then I will talk something to you. You know what, guys? I said I will not pick with my finger, means with my finger. But because of video, I picked. So finally, guys, I have picked the coriander. Arey Maya. Sorry. Actually, mummy has planted lots of things here, na, like lady finger and I don't know English of nenua. So that's why by default I said Ari Mori Maya. Yeah, I was. Yes, I remember. Actually, mummy said that today we will eat boiled potato and boiled pea. You know how we will make it. I will boil potato and without selling pea, means बिना छिले हुआ मटर. So okay guys, I'm going to end this vlog because that video is going on very long, so that's why. And I will not say that things like I do say fla fla fla.